Friends, creating a presentation from scratch can take hours. You need to research the topic, organize your ideas, and design the slides until everything looks professional. Even after all that, you often spend even more time polishing the details before it's finally ready. My name is Daniel, and today we are looking at Gamma. It's an AI-powered tool that can turn a simple prompt into a polished presentation in just a few minutes. We'll see how well it generates content, how flexible its editing tools are, and whether it can actually save you time compared to building presentations manually. Guys, make sure you check out all the useful links in the description after watching this video. It's completely free to download and try. Let's jump right in. Guys, Gamma is an AI-powered platform designed to help you create presentations, documents, and even simple web pages much faster than traditional presentation software. Instead of starting with a blank slide and building everything piece by piece, you simply describe your topic or paste in your existing content. The tool generates a complete draft in just a few moments. The platform doesn't just write text, it takes your initial idea and turns it into a polished presentation with a clear structure and professional design. That flexibility makes it suitable for almost any deck you need to create, regardless of the topic or audience. Mates, one of the platform's biggest strengths is that the AI doesn't lock you into its first draft. After it is generated, you can continue refining it however you like, either manually or with the help of AI. Since Gamma runs entirely in your browser, there's nothing to install, and sharing your work is straightforward. You can collaborate with others, send a presentation through a simple link, or export it when you're ready. The goal is to spend less time formatting slides and more time focusing on the ideas you're trying to present. Friends, creating a new deck takes just a few clicks. I start by selecting Generate, which lets AI build a presentation from a simple prompt instead of starting with a blank page. Before that, I can adjust a few settings. First, I choose how many cards I want the result to include. Then I keep the classic editing mode, which gives me full control over every slide after it's generated. I can also choose the format depending on where I'll present it, and select the language for both the content and the AI output. Guys, once everything is ready, I simply describe what I want to create. In this example, I'm asking Gamma to build a presentation about how artificial intelligence could transform everyday life by 2035, with a strong focus on visuals and a polished design. Rather than building the full deck right away, the tool first creates an outline. That gives me a chance to review the structure, make changes, and ensure it follows exactly the direction I have in mind. Once everything looks right, I simply click Generate, and Gamma turns the outline into a complete presentation. Friends, from there you can keep refining with AI. For example, I asked the assistant to improve the layout and make the entire deck feel more premium. In just a few seconds, it updated the theme, typography, and overall visual style across every slide. Guys, before we move on, I try to make my content fun instead of boring. And in return, please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you enjoy the content I make. And the edits don't stop there. You can simply describe the changes you want, and Gamma updates the slides for you without having to start over. For example, I replaced the illustrations with a more futuristic cinematic style, and the tool regenerated them while keeping the rest of the presentation intact. Mates, if needed, you can even fine-tune a single image with quick AI edits, like adjusting the lighting, adding more futuristic details, or making other visual improvements in just one click. Of course, you're not limited to AI edits. Every slide is fully editable, so you can click on any text, image, or layout element and customize it manually just like you would in a traditional editor. Friends, if you want a different look, Gamma also comes with a large collection of built-in themes. With a single click, you can completely change the overall visual style without affecting your content. Once you're happy with the result, sharing it is just as easy. You can generate a shareable link, invite collaborators, or export your presentation in a few clicks. Friends, after building a deck from start to finish, it's clear that Gamma is designed to simplify one of the most time-consuming parts of the creative process. Instead of starting with a blank slide, you begin with a polished draft that you can continue refining until it matches exactly what you have in mind. What stood out to me most is the balance between AI automation and manual control. The platform generates a strong foundation, but you're never locked into its first version. You can keep adjusting the presentation until it feels completely your own. I personally find Gamma useful, but whether you decide to use it or not is completely your choice. Hopefully, this review gave you a clear understanding of how the platform works and whether it fits the way you create decks. Friends, before you go, check the links in the description. That's where all the coupons and special offers are. Huge thanks to Gamma for sponsoring my review. As usual, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, until next time.